Anthony Acholi is my name, Member of Parliament for Kilak North in Amuru District, Northern Uganda, and also the Chairman of Acholi Parliamentary Group.
Yes, I don't get a pen a real kikan. Me a chill. Wanero honorable Nyariki, the vice for Acholi Parliamentary Group. One committee a call Anthony. Ma kilo a call Anthony ki ma penduzi. Then chalo me discussing nga ma mir kubet speaker the parliament. Just of recent anero yano katika log ge yamo. Because kay chero gulu honorable Nobat Mao minister o Okaro peje la road division.
I am Anua Ricky Richard, a Member of Parliament for Agago West constituency. By God's grace, He has given me yet another opportunity to serve in the same position as MP-elect for Agago West constituency.
Gulu honorable Nobat Mao minister o Okaro peje la road division. Now, miri pa choli no dong tiene Mao no mir kubed ngo speaker. Ento magilwo jone. You are deaf, no magilwo because get ye the member me actually parliamentary group. The chairman, the vice, kidong secretary machalo mapenduzi. Ilwo ge ter ge kuja. To my surprise, they are opposing against Nobat Mao. Yet one machalo choli no watawa ni ken madong Nobat Mao karani kake romo mino speakership bore uno romo bedo maber. Ang'eyo ni gamo ne romo bedo tek ke bot un jo me Agago ento tama ngo me miyo in that form of gine ma kike.
My name is Ojara Martin Mapenduzi. I represent the people of Badege Laibi Division in Gulu City. I am also the Member of Parliament elect for the same area. I thank God for having allowed me to be part of the 11th Parliament.
Ame John and put forward no meeting president. Gino work, gino beru gini meeting karakel kede Acholi parliamentary group. Utima green gini nga ame miyor gini tim ngo. Gini ye beru speaker. In other words, inti wa ini Acholi wing. Majala Acholi gugware chige wa ini gi deng mo gi mero Anita mo. Gina ata ko biene. Yini kap ko bini o John Jolungo ge chalo tela me Acholi parliamentary group. No, chalo jana chalo Acholi parliamentary group. Gino beru gini duano. Duana Acholi, Ameti Parliament. Now,
Right Honorable Anita Annette Among, I must tell you, in my experience and how the Parliament of Uganda has been managed, we are blessed to have an institution with the head person of Right Honorable Anita Annette Among. My plea to the people, especially Ugandans, and the people who are blessed to have been elected in the 12th Parliament, is that we must maintain the Right Honorable Speaker, Anita Annette Among, to be our Speaker in the 12th. Right Honorable Anita Among, I call upon you to come overwhelmingly to support the Right Honorable Anita Among for the speakership. She has done a lot to the Parliament of Uganda, from uniting us as MPs, from bringing members of opposition to the side of government, to effective leadership that is in her. I humbly request all of us to support Right Honorable Anita Among. I'm also one of our strong supporters. I support her for the position of speakership.
Of the Right Honorable Anita Annette Among, the Speaker of the 11th Parliament. We saw tremendous achievements through our leadership. We saw a united Parliament, irrespective of our political party affiliations. And the 11th Parliament has been a people-centered Parliament. We saw the 11th Parliament getting out to the people, serving the interests of the citizens. And that is the kind of leadership we need. And so I would like to wish the Honorable Anita Annette Among well, and I call upon my colleagues that we support our candidature to be the Speaker of the 12th Parliament, and we will see a lot more achievements. We would want to see a
because no bad mount here Acholi. Anita Mongi ye side money kacha. Koru tesu korungo. Now machala Acholi machwaka nywa riki machala Acholi machwako ken ogero akola Anthony machwako mapenduzi no watamo ni Acholi ka Acholi ulu dok winyi wawinyo MP mamego machala nywa riki wachi wajo ni gin chwalo Anita Mongi mapenduzi gi chwalo Anita Mongi akola Anthony bene gi chwalo Anita Mongi now machalo la tedero giromo advising one.
No, opinion here bad. But when it comes to leadership, ana rom mo kutama mechung. Nyame be position ni, but kay yin iberu mina. Yin pay nenon niyan meeting that quality. Me better tayra nenon. Kay yin beru ngata me yin ngeo nen kit metara ba. Kere ngatoro ni, we yin better tayra. Yin rom ko air me word kar kel ker because ni nenon ni and no paparo mo ito talo no ni abaya and so that is why I always before worry year talo more ken ana considering jamapon in the first place Mao ubedo atina Acholi ikit metela kau no ni ananen kau no ni me dano and we'll go for Mao. Now, what the Ricky gi karachel kere Antona call gi kere mapenduzi gini. Before yini woro kwena chalo atela. I mean you tell a group of people. Let's say ni one in China, one we are 3 years. So one do ye one yinu joluoni atela wa miero yin ibera atela wa. No, you know what it was. You know what carry get one woman one over carry. So Robert D. Ame John and put war no meeting president. Gin war gin uber gin meeting carry kede Acholi parliamentary group. Utima green gin nga ame mir gin tim ngo. Gin ye be speaker.
In other words, inti wayni Acholi wing majala Acholi gu gware chige wayni gi deng mo gi mero Anita Mongi.
Ginara ko biene. Yini kap ko bni o John Joluo ge chalo tela me Acholi parliamentary ko. No chalo John chalo Acholi parliamentary group. Gin bero gin duano Acholi ameti parliament. Now and for we kwen noro I anaka uma chak following debates ameta war nyimni tela moro member moro me parliament. Pati mo amete me chuno. Uya me kwer kama me jon ka to kar chel kerni ngo ni po ber duan gi. That means see no all to jon kuber gi ni kwen nor ngo u chwalo gi ni duan ngo. Duana don members me parliament me ya Acholi.
Yeah.
Because kan po chwal gi duan jon ni winyo. No yini